Hello friends, today we'll do count A formula. Before we start count A formula, we again will do count formula which we have done already in last video. Let's start with count formula equal to COUNT count first bracket, then value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3 comma value 4 comma value 5 comma value 6 comma value 7 comma value 8. Okay, then bracket close. The second way was the count formula is equal to COUNT count, then first bracket, select this one comma select this one comma and then select this one, then bracket close. Okay, and the third option was equal to COUNT count, then first bracket, then select first to last range, then bracket close, then the copy and the paste. Okay, the syntax is here. This was the count formula. Okay, and the count A formula is, the syntax is equal to COUNT count A, then first bracket, then range range 1 comma range 2, then comma range 3, then bracket close. Okay friends, here is the same data of the students who have given the exams, and we calculate the how many papers they have cleared. Okay, the count A formula. Let's start with the count A formula equal to COUNT count A, then first bracket, and select number 1 comma select number 2 comma select number 3 comma select number 4 comma select number 5 comma number 6 select number 7 comma select number 8, then close the bracket, and the second way is equal to COUNT count A, then first bracket, select this range comma select this range comma select this range, then close the bracket. Okay, and the third way is equal to COUNT count A, then first bracket, and then select the first to last range, then close the bracket, the copy and the paste. The syntax is right here. Okay, so friend, count and the count A formula syntax is same, but their return value is not same. We have done in count formula and here selected the 8 values, but count formula return only 5. Here we have done count A formula. We have select 8 we have 8 field, but here count A formula return 7. Why this is difference? Because friends, count formula only calculate number of numeric from the entire data. Here out of 8 fields, only here the numeric is 1 2 3 4 5, that's why he returned 5. Here count A formula, in count A formula, in out 8 of field he have written 7, because count A formula calculate the numeric and text and the error, but he ignored the blanks. In out of 8 fields he taken the 7 field, that's why she returned count A formula return 7. Okay, that's why their count A formula return here 5, and here 7, and the another data like same. Look at this difference. Arrow here 5 to returns 7 and 6 to 8, and here is 5 to 8. The formula and the fields are same, but their value is the difference because of their criteria. Okay, for today that is friends. For new video please subscribe my channel. Okay.